up guys, my name is Z-Star20. I'm back. Today I will be showing you how to fix chainsaw Ryobi, and here we go guys. See you next shot guys. Peace. Okay, I got chainsaw right here. That's my drink guys. I'm not sponsored, but this is my drink. Okay, cool. So we got chainsaw here. It's not starting. Previously I have sold this and it came back because the customer said that the chainsaw is not running correctly and it's not firing properly and it's losing power. So I'm gonna take this, open this up. Let me just take these off. Let me use different attachment. Let's take off the cover. Okay, that's the spark plug. Let me get the spark plug open up for. From take off the spark plug off. Whoa. Is the engine flooded? No, it's not. Well, it looks like this. Spark plugs look like that. We will clean it off. We might put a different one on. Let's check the spark on this. If there's any spark coming out, that's a good news. If not, then we have to see. Turn on the engine. Okay guys, let me bring it closer for you guys to see. If you can see the spark from here, let me tilt it up. Watch. That's the spark. There we go. The spark in here, guys. So basically, there's a spark coming out, and it's not starting the engine properly. It is getting petrol, but I don't know what's going on. I might need to clean the spark plug. So you clean it like this, guys. Guys, I'm gonna pause you for 1 minute. I need to change the angle for you guys to see what I'm doing. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that's perfect. So we are going to clean the spark plug off, as you can see. Now it's brand new. Check the spark again. You might see the spark. And there is perfect spark in there. Okay, the one reason is I need to check if it starts or not. Okay, let's prime. Okay, it's priming, good. Brake is on. And we're gonna start it up, guys. Let me show you next shot. Okay guys, we're gonna start this up. Press the start button, start, and prime it a couple times. Put the choke out. Check the brake. Not starting. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's take off the exhaust. I think it's flooded. and see what's going on. Yeah, you can see there's a smoke coming out from the exhaust, and you can see a lot of petrol ran in. Okay, let's start it up like this. If it starts, then that's a good news. Let me clean this bit. It's a bit dirty. Okay, let's try it again to start it up. Okay, it starts, but I think the exhaust has been filled with fuel. We might empty out. And we're going to check the spark arrestor screen if it's clean or clogged up. I'm going to clean this up a bit more because, as you can see, there's built up fuel. We're going to check the spark arrestor screen if it's clogged up. Okay, the spark arrestor is clean. You can see forward, clear through. It's clean, so let's put it back together.
Look how dirty it is. We'll clean it with some brake cleaner or some sort, so carburetor cleaner. We'll clean the inside bit off. Not one chainsaw is.
Start preposition. Okay, let's go. Starts, that's a good news.
And yeah. Okay guys, I see that shot.
What's up guys? I have cleaned this machine up. It's hot right now. I turned it on, it works perfectly fine now. I will show you in the video. I tried to cut the wood. I'll show you. So basically I tried to cut this wood right here and it didn't go through as much. The chain has to be sharpened. Here's the chain. It's got weakness. And yeah, so I need to fix that, but otherwise it's not fine. I'll just change the camera. I tried to cut it, as you can see. And yeah, I'll try to start it up for you guys. I think it's leaking oil, but let's try to start it up. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and please give it thumbs up, like, subscribe to me, and I'll see you next shot guys. Peace.